This is a review of the new Audi A6 driven by my good friend Lawrence Boyd. Now Lawrence, what is your thoughts on this vehicle?
Well, as we step over to here, Michael, we've got nice side steps to go in, optional extra, you know. Got a bit of a nice scoop on there. I mean, bit of a big scoop, like, get right under there, like, you know what I mean? As far as comfort goes, there isn't any. You have to pay for them. A lot of money, like. If you get wet, there's an option where you can go underneath or sit it out. And then when we walk onto the optional extra of the Avant version, this one's got a cabin. As you can see, there's no keys. There's a cover over it, which comes standard. It's got no wheels, but it's a good working machine. Overall, it's value for money. You're looking at about £500,000, plus or minus £1 million. Yeah, that's all we got to say for today. Thank you.
Brought to you by Fuck You Developments.